Stay tuned to see how I turn this handled resin tray into a charcuterie tray. So I started by using this yellow, chunky, kind of plastically looking glitter and mixing it in with my resin. This tray I wanted to make kind of simple, but I still wanted the design to be dazzling. So I just kept adding the colored glitter to make sure I filled it. Then once I got the first base of the resin laid down, I took this really cute glittery pineapple sticker and just added it to the right corner of the tray. I lightly pressed it down, not too hard though, just to make sure it would stay. Then for my next layer of design, I added in these really pretty blue and green rocks to the left side of the tray. And this was just to add a different element of design. And I really like how the colors complemented the yellow glitter. Once I let the resin sit for about an hour, I took these really nice silver handles and just stuck them to the sides of the tray. Because the resin had semi-hardened, they stuck very well. And then of course, just to make sure to solidify everything, I added another coat of clear resin to the top of the tray. This is going to allow the pineapple to be completely encased in the resin, as well as make sure that the handles don't come out of the ends of the tray. So I just went ahead and added my clear coat and let it go ahead and settle as it will. The great thing I like about this resin is that it is self-leveling, and so you don't have to tap it or shake the mold or anything. You really just kind of let the resin spread out and it will evenly level itself. Press your handles down just to make sure that they are completely in. And here is what the tray looks like once it has fully cured. I let this tray cure for about 48 hours just to make sure it was nice and hardened. Look at these colors, you guys. It is so pretty. The little pineapple just complements the whole aesthetic of this tray. And the handles are very secure. Now for the fun part of this tray, I wanted to make a charcuterie tray. I have never made one before, so I am just taking some grapes and some sliced cheese. I got this cheese from Target, and I didn't want to slice cheese, you guys, so I just went ahead and got it pre-sliced. And these grapes, by the way, were delicious. And I'm just laying out my items onto the tray. So the tray that I got from Target comes with about 5 different cheeses. I only laid out a couple of them. Then I added my crackers right in between the cheeses. And then I got these turkey pepperoni sticks and added them. And then I'm also going to slice them in half. It was a little hard to do with one hand though, I'm not gonna lie. And here is the finished charcuterie tray. I love this whole project. It was so fun. And the fact that you have a really nice snack at the end is just a bonus. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys would make a savory or sweet charcuterie tray. I believe you can do either one. Thank you for joining me for this video this week. I had so much fun making it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and hit that bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.